Let me show you real quick how to do this. This is a 2003 Ford Taurus, right? This thing, spit it out. This is the steering fluid, steering pump. The steering gets hard and all of that. All you gotta do is get one of this. This is like a vacuum. Gotta connect it to the air. Hook this, if you have a set of radiator pressure test kit, hook it up with the hose, with that vacuum, put it there, activate it, like that. Right. You're gonna see some bubbles over there where the reservoir is, okay? That means it's sucking all the air, alright? Now here, just start the car. Now you gotta do this 10 times, like 1, all the way to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it like that, okay? After that, shut it down. You're gonna come here, open this, fix the level. Okay? If you need more, top it off, alright? But if you don't, that means you're doing good, alright? Now repeat the same process, put it back. Repeat the same process like 3 more times for some reason. Okay? And that's how you bleed the steering in this 2003 Ford Taurus, or any other car that applies. Okay. Make sure there's no line leaking, or let me turn that off so you can hear me better. Make sure there's no line leaking. Check underneath, check the racking pin and all that. Make sure nothing is leaking. If you have any questions, know what I'm saying, just holla at your boy, put in the comment box. Alright, don't forget to support this channel. Click on the heart, give thanks. That's how you show your love for this channel. Give some contribution, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna live right here. Axtuo, catch me in the next one. I'm out.